rain makes everything glisten. It's like the world is quietly sharing its secrets. It never stops raining here, but the rain remembers. Every drop carries a story. These are the memories people try to forget. They carry pain even when they smile. Healing begins when we dare to remember. Pray, tell them they are not alone. The past doesn't hurt anymore when it's shared.
The rain feels warm.
Some wounds don't disappear. They learn how to rest.